Welcome students. In this video we will study the concept of dipole moment और हम ये देखेंगे कि क्यों कुछ मॉलिक्यूल्स पोलर हैं और कुछ मॉलिक्यूल्स नॉन पोलर होते हैं. सो dipole moment, it is a property by which we measure the net polarity in a molecule. I am talking about the net polarity. Sometime हमारे पास कुछ ऐसे मॉलिक्यूल्स होते हैं जिनमें पोलर बॉन्ड्स भी होते हैं बट फिर भी मॉलिक्यूल नॉन पोलर्स, उनका नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट ज़ीरो होता है. सो इन दिस टॉपिक वी विल टॉक अबाउट द नेट पोलैरिटी ओनली and not about the dipole moment or polarity of a single bond in case of polyatomic molecules. So the polarity, what does the polarity means? The polarity in a bond arises due to the difference in electronegativity between the two combining atoms, right? So in case of hydrogen molecule, both the atoms have same electronegativity, so the bond will be non-polar. In HCl, since halogens are most electronegative of the periodic table, Cl atom has greater electronegativity. So the bond pair are displaced toward the Cl atom, resulting in partial negative charge on Cl. So in this case the molecule is polar. So I have the direction of polarity is from less electronegative element to most electronegative element, and the polarity is shown by this kind of arrow which is pointing from less electronegative to more electronegative element. If the electronegativity is the only criteria to decide whether the molecule is polar, whether the bond is polar or non-polar, then CO2 molecule should be polar, because in this case there are two polar bonds, right? Oxygen is more electronegative, so this CO bond is polar. Similarly, this CO bond is also polar, but the net dipole moment of the molecule is zero. We have many more examples in which there are many polar bonds but the molecule is non-polar. For example, CCl4 molecule. Here there are 4 polar bonds. So we can say in CCl4 molecule there are 4 highly electronegative Cl atom. So the molecule should have high dipole moment or should be polar, but in actual the molecule is non-polar. It means there is some other criteria to be discussed in discussing the dipole moment. So although a polar bond is a prerequisite condition for a molecule to have a dipole moment, but not all the molecules with polar bond have dipole moment, as in case of CCl4 molecule. It means जो डाइपोल मोमेंट है, जहाँ जो पोलैरिटी है वो इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी डिफरेंस या पोलर बॉन्ड्स होने के बावजूद किसी और फैक्टर्स के ऊपर भी डिपेंड करती है. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल पहले हम ये देख लेते हैं डाइपोल मोमेंट जो है वो हम किस वे से कैलकुलेट करते हैं. हियर आई हैव टेकन 2 डाइपोल्स, 2 ऑपोजिटली चार्ज्ड एलिमेंट्स, and r is the distance between internuclear distance between 2 oppositely charged atoms. The dipole moment is calculated as mu is equal to q into r and the unit is dBi, where q is the segregating charges of A plus and B negative, or the net charge, and r is the internuclear distance. So this mu dipole moment, it is a vector quantity, which means it depends upon the magnitude as well as the direction of charges or the dipole direction. Also, the geometry of the molecule plays a very important role in deciding the polarity of the molecules. The molecules which have symmetrical structure should and have all the dipoles oriented opposite to each other हैव ज़ीरो डाइपोल मोमेंट। ऐसा कोई भी मॉलिक्यूल, चाहे उसके पास पोलर बॉन्ड्स भी हैं, लेकिन अगर उस मॉलिक्यूल की ज्योमेट्री जो है वो सिमेट्रिकल है, उसकी स्ट्रक्चर सिमेट्रिकल है और उसके डाइपोल्स ऑपोजिटली ओरिएंटेड हैं, तो वो वाले मॉलिक्यूल का डाइपोल मोमेंट ज़ीरो रहेगा। फॉर एग्जांपल, in methane molecule the four dipoles, methane molecule has symmetrical tetrahedral structure in। अब इस मॉलिक्यूल में जो 4 डाइपोल्स हैं उनकी डायरेक्शन मैंने शो करी है। ये 2 डाइपोल एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिटली ओरिएंटेड हैं और ये 2 डाइपोल एक दूसरे के ऑपोजिटली ओरिएंटेड हैं। सो इन मीथेन मॉलिक्यूल, ड्यू टू इट्स सिमेट्रिकल स्ट्रक्चर, all the dipoles cancel out each other, resulting in net zero dipole moment. So in CH3Cl molecule, again there are 4 dipoles. The dipole due to CH bond are directed towards the carbon atom, and the dipole due to CCl bond, since Cl is more electronegative, so it is directed toward Cl. अब इस मॉलिक्यूल में 3 डाइपोल्स जो हैं वो उनकी डायरेक्शन री कर रही है CCl बॉन्ड के डाइपोल की डायरेक्शन को। इट मीन्स इस मॉलिक्यूल में अगर कोई 2 डाइपोल एक दूसरे को कैंसल आउट भी कर रहे हैं, लेकिन नेट डाइपोल मोमेंट ज़ीरो नहीं रहेगा। बट इन केस ऑफ दिस, ऑल द डाइपोल्स आर ओरिएंटेड in opposite direction to each other, so the resulting dipole moment will be zero. Now let us further discuss by taking the example of NH3 and NF3. On the basis of electronegativity difference, we should say NF3 molecule should have high dipole moment because F is most electronegative, so NF bond will be highly polar. But on looking the geometry of the molecule and the direction of dipoles, the order of dipole moment is just the opposite of that is expected on the basis of electronegativity difference. In case of NH3, the 3 dipoles due to NH bond are in the same direction to the dipole due to lone pair, so the net dipole moment will have this direction, upward direction, so the dipole moment will be larger. In case of NF3 molecule, 3 dipoles are pointed outward in outward direction, or we can say the 3 dipole due to NF bond are in opposite direction to the dipole due to lone pair, so they are cancelling out each other, so the resultant or the resulting net dipole moment will be very less as compared to NH3. So let's further take the example of a very important question. SF6 molecule has zero dipole moment while SF4 has non-zero dipole moment. Explain. So in this question we will all further discuss it on the basis of geometry of these molecules. Although there are electronegative F elements in SF6 and SF4, but SF6 molecule has net zero dipole moment. This is the octahedral geometry of SF6, in which we can clearly see all the dipole due to SF bond, क्योंकि F की इलेक्ट्रोनेगेटिविटी ज़्यादा है एज कम्पेयर टू S, सो दिस इज़ द डायरेक्शन ऑफ डाइपोल. ऑल द डाइपोल्स आर ओरिएंटेड इन opposite direction to each other, or we can say in SF6 all the dipoles cancel out each other, resulting in zero dipole moment. But in SF4 molecule, the 4 dipoles due to SF bond are oriented in opposite direction, but the dipole due to lone pair, one of the position is occupied by lone pair in case of SF4. So the dipole due to lone pair will results into some net resultant dipole moment. So हमने इस टॉपिक में क्या देखा है, although there are polar bonds, although there are high electronegative elements in a molecule, but the net polarity of the molecule is decided by the directions of dipoles. If all the dipoles are oriented in opposite direction, then the resultant dipole moment will be 0. Clear?